2006 Chevy Colorado. This is just a short video on how to get the torque converter bolts out without a special tool. So the torque converter bolts are up in there. There's the back of one. Torque converter, new torque converter. And you gotta get up inside this slot. And they're recessed way back in there. And a ratchet and a socket won't go in there. And I don't have a special tool. So, this is what I did. Regular socket, 18 millimeter. Grind it down short enough this way where it'll go in, and then grind a little thing right here where you can get a wrench on the end of it like this. So then you take the socket and you put it up in there. Get it on the bolt, which you can see, if I can get my light right. It's up in there. So you can just take this wrench, put a wrench on it. And turn it. That's how you get the bolts out. And take your socket back out. And it goes back on the rack. Peace.